Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Morgan, and welcome to my course, Securing IIS Websites. IIS is used by millions of websites all over the world, and securing these websites is top priority because attacks are increasing by the day. In this course, we are going to learn how to secure your IIS servers against attacks from the internet. Some of the major topics that we will cover include reducing your IIS attack surface, HTTP request filtering, SSL and TLS basics, protecting yourself against exploits, and monitoring IIS web servers to look for attacks. By the end of this course, you'll know how to secure your IIS server and feel confident about the safety of your data. Before beginning this course, you should be somewhat familiar with IIS administration and Windows administration. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn IIS security with the Securing IIS Websites course at Pluralsight.